most people say it's in the demo stage, but I would say it's the stage before. It's the discovery. It's really this active listening. It's understanding what the customer want to achieve. Can we add value from a solution perspective? So I'm working for a supply chain company. We sell supply chain software, and we do not fit to every company and to every organization. So understanding where can we add value, where can we do better. It's really the stage of the discovery where I think pre-sales adds the most. The problem or the challenge I see often, as mentioned at the beginning, pre-sales is seen as the demo guys. Hey, just show a demo and then you go inside and you go outside. And kind of tools like this demo automation tools really help to avoid things like that, because you send over like an automated demo upfront. You get the credit, so to say, to present yourself and then make a proper discovery. So again, to make it short, discovery is I think where we as a pre-sales add the most value.